Hi, I'm Miyu. Welcome to Fine Dine Academy, where we help you get the most out of your dashboard. In-app promotions put your offers in front of guests while they're browsing your menu. In your dashboard, go to Guest Engagement, open in-app promotion, and click Add a Promotion at the top right. There are 3 types to choose from: time-based, selection-based, and banner-based. Let's walk through each one. A time-based promotion shows your content after a set delay. We'll set 2 seconds, keep it open until the guest closes it, and upload an image. Just note that this type is for tablet menus only. Go live, publish the changes to your tablets, and the promotion appears as soon as a guest opens the menu. A selection-based promotion triggers when a guest opens a particular menu or item. We'll point ours at the sample menu and reuse the same image. Refresh the QR menu, step into the sample menu, and the promotion appears right on cue. A banner-based promotion pins a banner to the top of a menu or section. Pick your artwork, then choose what it links to. Here, the sea salt fries item. Go live, and the banner sits right at the top of the menu. Tap it, and your guest lands straight on that item. That's it for this one. For more quick tips, check out the other videos on our Fine Dine Academy channel. See you there!